Good afternoon, students. In the complex integration, we will go for the examples related to the properties and definite integral of a complex integration. Evaluate the integral 3t to 2 plus 4i of the function 2y plus x square dx plus 3x minus y into dy using the substitution x is equal to 2t and y is equal to tq plus 3. In that, given what they are given, x is equal to 2t and y is equal to tq plus 3. And we know that the function is in terms of the dz, that is x plus iy. In that x plus iy, we have to substitute the x values and y values. That is, we know the function, that is integral of f of z into dz. First, take the given value x is equal to 2t, that is dx is equal to 2 dt, and y is equal to tq plus 3 means the dy is equal to 3t square plus 0, and the lower limit, that is 3i, and we can write in the form of a complex, that is equal to 0 plus 3i, where x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. That implies t is also equal to 0. And for the upper limit, it is 2 plus 4i, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. That implies t is equal to 1. We know the values of x and y. In that, substitute the x and y value, we will get the value of t. So the given integral is turned as t is running from 0 to 1 and to y is equal to tq plus 3 and x is equal to 2t. On substitution, we will get the values in terms of t, that is the integral 0 to 1 24t square minus 2t cube minus 6t plus 12 into dt. And the integral which is running, that is take the integral according to the t values, that is 24 is a constant. The integral of t square is t cube divided by 3 and t cube is t4 divided by 4 and t is equal to t square plus t square divided by 2, and the integral of the constant is equal to the value t. And substituting the integral which is running from 0 to 1, we will get the value as 33 divided by 2. And for the second, we can say that the same thing, but the line is running from 0 to 1 to 0 to 5. So along the x-axis, the line, it is that is the integral of the line is running along the x-axis. Then in that condition, how to solve the complex integration? By using the properties. See, let the evaluate the integral which is I to 2 plus 5i 3x plus y dx plus 2y minus x into dy along the line from 0 to 1 to 0 to 5 and then from 0 to 5 to 2 to 5. In that condition, the path is, the line is L1 as well as the L2. If the line L1 is from 1 to 5 and L2 is from 0 to 2. For that, if for the line L1, x value is 0. So that is dx is equal to 0. And the y in that line, the y is running from 1 to 5. Therefore, for the L1, along the line L1, the integral which is running from 1 to 5 and the dy values, because dx is 0. So the line is changes as the integral y is equal to 1 to 5 2y into dy. 2 is the constant, take it outside, and the integral of y is y square divided by 2, and which is running from 1 to 5. So the value is equal to 24. Take that as equation 1. Along the line L2, the line is y, that is y is equal to 5, then dy is equal to 0, and the x is varies from 0 to 2. Therefore, the integral which is running from 0 to 2, 3x plus y into dx. 3 is a constant, integral of x is x square divided by 2, and plus 5 into the integral of the 1 is x, and which is running from 0 to 2. Substituting the upper and lower bound, we will get the value as 16. Therefore, the given integral from I is equal to 0 to 1 to 2 to 5, that is along the line 0 to 1 to 0 to 5, and from 0 to 5 to 2 to 5. Therefore, the L, that is the total the line is L1 plus L2. According to the property of the integral, L1 plus L2 is equal to the individual sum of the two line, which is the property. So according to that, we can write it as the values of the along the line L1 and along the line L2, that is using the equation 1 and 2, we can say that the total values of the integral I2 2 plus 5i 3x plus y into dx plus 2y minus x into dy is equal to 2416 is equal to 40. And here we used only the two properties, that is the property number 4 as well as the property number 2. According to the property, we will go for the some more examples related to the same property that we will see the next class.